Hey everyone, this is Justin Bennett from TurboBeads, here to satisfy your creative needs, and this is the Lbeads.com Pony Bead Review. Let's jump right into it. So Lbeads contacted me to review some products just for you. Here's what they sent in. So these are the resin pony beads that can be found on Lbeads.com. From a look at the packaging, we can see that the beads are made in China, but as I always say, you can't judge a bead at first glance without giving it a chance. We'll open these up and get a closer look and see what we're working with. Right away, it can be seen that these resin pony beads have a smooth texture and a vibrant color, as they are consistent in shape, well polished, as they don't have any burrs or extra plastic pieces sticking outside of the bead. A polish so smooth, you would think these beads were seamless. These beads are 8x5, 6mm in size, with a hole size of 4mm. As you should know, these beads are a bit smaller than other standard 9mm pony beads, compared to other brands, as you can see the size difference as the Lbeads sit on the left. Each resin pony bead package weighs 500 grams and comes with 2,020 beads, and each color can be purchased separately as well. From what you can see, they also sent a bag of resin black pony beads, as this color I tend to use up the quickest. And of course, the black resin pony beads are the same size and quality from the multicolor mix package, and is a decent amount of beads for any level of projects. Once again, here are the colors of the resin pony beads they currently have to offer. In my opinion, it's a great value for the price. Since these beads came in a mix, you may want to ensure that you have a big enough storage to divide each color. As I said, with this amount of beads in this package, there will be plenty to sort out. Here are all the beads sorted out and organized into their own sections for your viewing pleasure. Not only was I able to fill one bead organizer, I was also able to fill another with enough beads to spare as well. Once again, you can find these beads at Lbeads.com. Let's test these beads out and see if they still stand in quality. Because of the consistency and precise shape of each bead, these beads stack very well and lock into place. Even though these beads are a bit smaller than the standard 9mm in size, they are still high in quality. Like I've mentioned before, with the vibrant color and smooth texture, these beads make for great bracelets, knowing they'll look great and fulfill beyond your comfort standards. After making a few creations with these beads, it was very clear on how I felt about these beads overall. Yeah, on a real note, these beads I believe are probably in my top 5 favorite bead brands. I like these. Overall, I think these beads are great. I'm satisfied with the look, feel, and quality of these beads. As these beads are definitely a contender when it comes to high quality brands, it's the perfect bead for beginners as well as experienced crafters. With that being said, I'll say these beads are worth giving a try. You can find these beads as well as other products on their website, that's Lbeads.com. Hopefully you like this review. I'll leave the links below. Until next time, I'm Justin Bennett from TurboBeads. Thanks for watching this video.